Track data. This field displays the active track number within the sequence. In the MPC3000, only one track can be active at a time. The active track is the track that, when record or overdub mode is entered, data will be recorded into the MPC3000 from the MIDI keyboard or the actual MPC drum pads. Moving along to the type field. The type field has two options to choose from, drum and MIDI. Select the drum option if you want to record the drum data into a selected track. Drum tracks are the same as MIDI tracks. The output of the track plays to the internal drum sound generator. You can record drums into the track using the front panel pads on the MPC 3000. Moving along to the drum note events in the sequence edit and step editing screens. In sequence editing screens, note events in the drum tracks are visually identified and selected not by the note number only, as in the MIDI tracks, but also by the pad number and the sound name currently assigned to the displayed note number that we see here in the screen edit window of the MPC 3000. Drum tracks are not affected by the transpose function. Only MIDI tracks are affected when using this feature. MIDI. Select this option if you want to record normal non-drum MIDI data from an external MIDI keyboard into a selected track. MIDI tracks do not use the internal sound generator or pads on the MPC 3000. The track on and off field. This allows you to turn the track on and off within the sequence. When on, yes, in the example screen, this choice field turns the output of the active track on, yes, or off if no is selected. Pressing soft key 1 toggles the field states between yes or no within the MPC 3000 main screen window. The MIDI channel port fields. There are actually two fields here, which together are used to determine which MIDI channel and MIDI output port the active track will output its data to. The two fields are the MIDI channel field and the MIDI port field. The auxiliary MIDI channel ports field. These two fields have exactly the same function and operation as the MIDI channel ports field shown to the left. These two fields allow the active track to play simultaneously through the additional channel port combination. If no additional output channel port selection is desired, set to off. The velocity field. Velocity 100% in the example screen. This overall output volume control is for active track. However, unlike a normal volume control, this actually scales the velocities of all notes to play from the track in real time, acting as a real-time dynamics control. The ranges from 0 to 200%. The values from 0 to 99 reduce velocities. The values from 101 to 200 increase them. Select 100 for no effect. The program number field. This field permits the MIDI program number 1 through 128 to be assigned to the active field. To select no program assignments for the active track, enter a 0 into this field, and off would be displayed. Or simply use your data entry control wheel to turn the selection to off.